Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: medical clearance, insurance, and your launch reservation. These unlock boarding. Once done, gather mission documents and physical items that meet mass limits because excess weight is rejected. You should arrive 3 hours early to clear security and orientation. That time lets you join pre-flight briefings and suit fittings and make sure you're integrated into the manifest. Don't skip the waiver review, since signing confirms safety rules and emergency procedures. Read and ask questions if anything's unclear. You move into final procedures by attending the safety brief. Pay attention to oxygen checks, abort options, and how cabin communications work. Next, make sure your suit seals correctly and that the helmet HUD and comms function, because telemetry and voice links keep you informed during ascent. Once satisfied, follow boarding instructions in manifest order and stow personal items in assigned lockers so nothing floats loose. If you're unsure about a strap or connector, ask crew immediately. Correcting it now avoids mid-flight issues. You will execute ascent by following crew prompts. Adopt brace positions, match breathing cadence to reduce ear pressure, and monitor helmet readouts. This keeps you comfortable and safe. Once in orbit or landing trajectory, secure yourself for deorbit procedures, run the checklist with crew, and disembark only when cleared. If anything goes wrong, remember the troubleshooting tip. If comms fail, switch to visual signals, use the manual checklist you practiced, and stay with the crew. Redundant procedures and training preserve safety, and let ground control re-establish links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.